Peace. I'm Jon Ivan Gill, Assistant Professor of Philosophy at Gustavus Adolphus College, member of the massive collective Tomorrow Kings, Southern California collective Echoes of Oratory Music, and San Bernardino collective Crystal Radio. And this is MultiRaceLessNess, process philosophy. I come to this work in relation to thinking through the category of race and really always asking the question, well, what is race? Is it necessary? Who benefits from this categorization of humanity? And what are some possibilities for liberation if the category of race itself was abolished? And a lot of what I've come to from not just life experiences and my upbringing, but from interrogating the ways in which race as a category is used is that the logics of racial language itself, which we can locate in the colonization projects of Spain, Portugal, France, Britain, etc., starting from the late 15th century on, the logics themselves are based in hierarchy. So the text kind of goes off of the thought experiment that race is inherently racist. There is no race without hierarchy. So the question for me becomes, what does it mean for us to say things like Black Lives Matter, Brown Power, Stop Asian Hate, etc.? Are all of those terminologies simply placating the system which we've been forced to live within? So in a nutshell, I'm asking the question, well, is race inherently racist? And if the answer to that question is yes, then what do we do about that? And this is something that philosophy of race, while it's dealt with the possibilities of that which may come after the classifications of race are dropped, there's not much in the scholarship that revolves around ways to identify after we abolish the category. So the text really picks up on, in various ways, looking at the process philosophies of Alfred North Whitehead, the work of Mayan daykeeper Un Bat's Men, various strands of the Moorish Science Temple of America, the philosophies of Noble Drew Ali, and other things. The text pushes toward how we may identify ourselves if we decide that the category of race is inherently racist. So this text, MultiRaceLessNess, process philosophy, it does all of that and hopefully more. You can get it directly from the publisher, Bloomsbury, Amazon.com, Barnes & Noble, a lot of your large bookstores, but I encourage you to support your indie bookstores, your smaller bookstores. If they don't have it in stock, they can always order it. I will be doing talks on this text, and I'm available to come to your college, your university, your bookstore, your youth group, your hip hop show, etc., and present the ideas in this text in various creative ways. So if you're interested in that, please reach out to me and I'd be glad to come. Thank you.